Hey everyone, I'm Erin from Florida Drone Supply, and this is Mavic Monday. Today we're diving into the essential accessories for the Mavic 3 Pro Cine, all available at Florida Drone Supply. First up, let's talk about batteries. The Mavic 3 Pro Cine boasts impressive flight time, but having extra batteries is crucial for longer shooting sessions. The Intelligent Flight Battery provides up to 46 minutes of flight time. With a few of these in your kit, you can ensure you won't miss a moment while capturing stunning footage. To keep those batteries ready to go, check out the battery charging hub. It can charge multiple batteries simultaneously, making it a must-have for busy shooting days. Next on our list are ND filters. These filters help control light exposure and achieve that cinematic look by allowing you to adjust your shutter speed. The Mavic 3 Pro Cine's performance in bright sunlight is dramatically improved with a set of ND filters. At Florida Drone Supply, you'll find a variety of ND filter sets tailored specifically for the Mavic 3 Pro Cine, ensuring you have the right filter for every situation. Keeping your gear safe and organized is essential, and that's where a high-quality carrying case comes into play. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro Cine case from GPC is rugged, water-resistant, and designed to fit everything you need. With custom compartments for your drone, extra batteries, and accessories, you'll be ready for any adventure. With these accessories, you'll be fully equipped to take your Mavic 3 Pro Cine experience to new heights. If you have any questions, give us a call at 855-8-DRONES or visit us online at floridadronesupply.com. As always, thank you for watching and enjoy your flight.